Hello and welcome back. We are so glad you're joining us for another deep dive. Before we jump in, hit like if you like our content. Today we're putting on our detective hats. We have a genuine automotive mystery on our hands. It involves the new 2026 Toyota BZ Woodland.
It really is a mystery. We're looking at a classic case of corporate twins. Two cars that share the same DNA, built on the exact same platform. But when you get to the price tag, the math just, well, it falls apart.
Right. So let's break this down. First up, we have the new Toyota BZ Woodland. It's being marketed as this bigger, kind of stretched version of their standard BZ SUV. But the key here is that under the skin, it's sharing a platform with the Subaru Trailseeker. So how deep does this really go? Are we talking distant cousins or?
Oh, we're talking identical twins, separated at birth maybe.
Yeah.
If you look at the spec sheet, it's like seeing double. It's actually uncanny.
Okay.
They both run the same dual motor all-wheel drive system. They both push out exactly 375 horsepower.
Right.
And they're both drawing power from the exact same 67 kilowatt-hour battery pack.
So if I'm driving them, I'm feeling the exact same car?
Absolutely.
You'd assume the price would reflect that, give or take a few $100 for, styling differences. But this is where the mystery really starts. I looked at the sticker price for the Toyota BZ Woodland, and it starts at $46,750.
Which is a real splash of cold water when you walk across the street to the Subaru lot.
It is.
The Trailseeker, with that same powertrain, starts at just $41,445.
I'm just looking at those numbers. That is a $5,305 difference.
Yeah.
That's not pocket change. Why on earth would someone pay over $5,000 extra for what's basically the same machinery with a Toyota badge on it?
That is the $5,000 question, isn't it? And it gets even weirder when you look at the efficiency number. Despite having the exact same battery, the range estimates, they don't match. Subaru is claiming the Trailseeker will get you 280 miles on a charge.
Okay, 280. And the Toyota?
Toyota's only estimating 260 miles.
Hold on, you're telling me you pay $5,000 more to go 20 miles less? Is physics working differently at the Toyota factory? What's happening?
It's likely down to small things, like aerodynamics or maybe rolling resistance. That Woodland name on the Toyota suggests it might have knobbier all-terrain tires or some body cladding that creates more drag.
So you're paying for a look that costs you range?
Potentially.
Yeah.
Or Toyota could just be more conservative with its software. But yeah, on paper, it looks like a losing deal.
Okay, let me just play devil's advocate for a second. Toyota has legendary brand equity, right? People trust that badge.
That's a fair point.
So maybe that extra $5,000 up front gets you $5,000 more back when you sell it in 5 years.
It's possible. And historically, Toyota resale value is incredible. But Subaru has a cult following too, especially in this all-wheel drive space. The depreciation might not be as different as that price gap suggests.
And what about the features, the trim levels?
That's another wrinkle. Toyota offers a base and a premium trim. That premium jumps to almost $49,000.
Okay.
But Subaru starts with a premium trim.
So you're saying the base Toyota, which could have fewer features, is still more expensive than the entry-level Subaru?
Exactly. Unless that Toyota base model is hiding something really special, the value proposition is a little shaky.
But we don't have the full equipment list yet.
And that's the key. We are waiting on that final line-by-line list.
What could possibly be on there to justify a $5,000 gap?
You have to look for the expensive, invisible hardware. Does the Toyota come standard with a heat pump for cold weather?
All right, that's a big one for EVs.
A very big one. Is the driver assist tech, the ADS, more advanced on the base Toyota? Does it have faster onboard charging hardware? Those are the kinds of things that could start to bridge that gap.
So if you're listening to this and you're thinking about a new EV for 2026, blind brand loyalty could be dangerous.
It could be very expensive. My advice isn't just go look at both. You have to be almost forensic about it.
What do you mean?
Get the actual spec sheets from both dealers. Put them side by side. Check the tire brands, check the audio system, and you have to specifically ask about that heat pump.
So don't just kick the tires, you got to check the fine print.
Precisely. You need to verify if that Toyota badge is actually getting you superior hardware or if you're just paying a loyalty tax.
And that is a tax I think most of us would prefer to avoid.
So I'll just leave you with this final thought. If the engineering underneath it all is identical, is a chrome logo on the front grille really worth a $5,000 premium? It's something to really chew on before you sign any paperwork.
Stay tuned for more automotive news and goodbye.